Hello and welcome back. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. We are just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 146. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 covering these two boxes, 7 here. That means this is our 3, 5, 7. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 9 here means this is our 3, 9. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. If we look at this top row, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 9. 9 covering both of these boxes, so 7, 8, 7, 8. That means the only place our 9 can be in that row is here. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 7 here, so 6, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 1. 2 here, so 8, 2. For this column, we're missing a 9. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got an 8 covering both of these boxes, so our 8 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 6 here, so 7, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 6, but the 6 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 3. 4 here, so 9, 4. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 8, 7, 5. That 7 makes us our 8. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. That 7 makes us our 8, 7. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. That 4 makes this our 1, 4. For this bottom row now, we're missing a 1. And for this box, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 5 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.